Hello everyone, my name is Homero and I'm going to show you guys how to load a kiln and set it up for a water smoke cycle. Water smoke is the first thing you usually do before bisque and glaze fire. Alright, first choose a cool down kiln. Make sure nobody is using it. Please do not open the lid in any circumstances because you don't know what it is inside. That action damage the refractory equipment and you can be hurt too. Before you check the digital readout, you must read the acronym CPLT, that means complete. Follow it for a 2 or 3 digits number that indicates the temperature inside of it. And it is recommendable to open it if it's lower than 90 degrees centigrade. Following all the suggestions, you are eligible to open the kiln lid. To help with that, there's a lid brace that can be used in 2 loading positions. The first position is for general everyday use. The second position when you need full access to the kiln chamber. But before releasing the lid, always make sure that the lid brace latches into the brackets and make sure it is safe. Before you start, you must be prepared for work. Grab a mobile steel table and put all you need on it. For this time, I'm going to use 12 by 12 inches piece of foam, a measure tape, dustpan and a brush, a power tool and a drill bit, ceramic props, extension cord and a ladder stool, a bucket full of sand, a scoop, a vacuum. Also you can set your dry pieces too. Once it's all on the car, just bring it to an accessible side of the working area. After all of that, I proceed to look inside the kiln, taking out all the shelves and ceramic props. Just be careful, wash out and make sure don't hit the inside walls. They are very soft and weak. Also, watch the thermocouple, that it is inside too. Both are crucial for a healthy fire. After you remove all and clear the space, use the vacuum to clean the inside of the kiln, to remove dust, brake chips, and another foreign material from around the elements. Anything that can affect our stacking and fire. Also, we can use the brush too. Once it's everything clean, safe and sound, we can put everything back to place and we are ready to stack all our pieces. Hey, do not forget to clear the area to start loading the kiln without any obstacles. Use the measuring tape to look at the dimension of the pieces. It is an important thing to do so you can visualize the best way to stack in an intelligent way to make space efficient. Using the foam piece, you can handle and manipulate with care all bone dry wear if you are making some adjustments. This time I'm using and applying a sand layer on the shelf so the piece can sit on it. I'm doing it because the work is heavy and when it fires it will shrink. And it is easy to move in the shrink direction. So there is less friction between ceramic shelf and the ceramic piece. It is now time to use our previously measured ceramic props or vertical supports that allows layer of kiln furniture to build up to form a multi-layer structure. When we use horizontally, tubes are often referred to as a roller or beams. Just make sure that they are clean and free of any material from both sides are touching the ceramic shelves. Then, when they all are set, it is time to bring the ceramic shelf and stack it on the top of them. Repeat this until it's filled. So when we are done, it's time to close the kiln lid. The kiln lid will not be closed completely. We will leave a space between the kiln and the top. So when the water evaporates, the steam finds its way out. We use the lid latch and adjusting it in one of these slots. Also, we need to check that all the peephole plugs are in the. Now that we have all stacked and closed lid, let's move on to the control features on the touchpad and start setting up our water smoke cycle. First, press stop before start any features. Then press RAM hole, program 1, enter. Segment 1, enter. Rate 20, enter. Temperature 180 Fahrenheit, enter. Hold time, we set it for 8 hours, so enter. Then enter again, complete, enter, and then you push start. We wait until we hear 3 clicks. It is always a good idea to press review and make sure the data is entered correctly. If you find an error, simply press RAM hold again and continue to press enter until you find the error. In the end, when we all are done, we do not forget to collect and clean our area. Leave the space accessible and without any obstructions, and be able to be used by others. Also, let's not forget to close doors where we store our material. And that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.